now I'm going to unboxing this. It's called Terracing. It's a waterproof case for Action 2. So body on Alibaba, shipped from maybe Germany, I don't know, and in Europe. So let's open it up. Okay, right. And it has this housing. Yeah, it can fit the whole thing, the action camera with the power unit together into this housing. Okay, now this is the Dji Action 2. I'm going to put the power unit and camera unit together and then put this into here. I don't know, should be fitting like this way maybe. Okay, and then close it. Yeah, I think that's how this works. Okay, and then let's have a look. What does it have in here? Has another mount component, and there's like double-sided tape, and there's another screw to fit in, and yeah, that's all it has in this box. I hope you will find this useful. Well, I don't know how much, I can't remember now how much I paid for it. Definitely less than £10, including the shipping fee. So it's very, very cheap compared to some other waterproof housing case